At Actune, we've created the new ChartFactor Studio Assistant to help our users interact with their data in a more conversational manner as opposed to using menus. We trained our assistant using ChartFactor's full documentation, demo applications, and even real-life examples of users creating data visualizations. Let me show you how it works by creating a new application. To open the assistant, press Ctrl-AI. Let's select our airline tweets dataset. Now, let's ask our assistant to suggest charts to better understand this dataset. That's great. Let's create a trend chart for the count of tweets grouped by time. It looks good. Let's add it to the dashboard. I'll now ask our assistant to create a slicer to help segment the data by airline. And now, I'll also create a heat map of airlines and keyword categories. I want to emphasize here the cross-filtering capabilities of ChartFactor that allows our users to interact with data visualizations and see the effect on other visuals in the dashboard and the chat window. Just click on the chart component and you'll instantly see the same filters applied to other components in your dashboard. This helps you more easily identify patterns, outliers, and correlations in the data. Now, I'm going to ask our assistant to remove the other category from our heat map to focus on the tweets that were successfully categorized. It looks great. Now, I like to sort both groups by count of tweets descending. Our heat map looks great. Let's add this chart and the slicer to the dashboard. Let's create a Sankey diagram with airline, keyword categories, and sentiment. Let's add this chart to the dashboard. Now, render a bar chart showing the count of tweets by airline. Switch to horizontal bars instead of vertical ones. Show the code of this chart in case you'd like to copy-paste the code directly to Studio or to your app. Add this chart to the dashboard. And this is the general idea of the capabilities of our new ChartFactor Studio Assistant, currently built on top of the GPT-4o mini model from OpenAI. And that can be easily ported to other foundational models if needed. Send us a note at info@actune.com if you'd like to give the ChartFactor Studio Assistant a try.